6 hidden places where you can find work experience for law and book them today. Make sure you save this video because I bet you haven't even thought of some of them. 1. Houses of Parliament. Where do you think most of our law is made and comes from? You can book a public tour to go to the Houses of Parliament, and whilst you're there, get your networking opportunities in and start meeting the different Lords and MPs and get your name out there. 2. Your MP constituent office. Don't you think MPs are there to serve us and try and help us as much as they can? Well, what you can get involved in is casework handling. If nothing else, you'll get some admin experience, but most MPs are really open to law students coming and shadowing them for the day. And even if you get half a day in it, the amount of skills that you're going to obtain are going to be invaluable. 3. Charities, but not just any charity, those that will help you with your legal work experience. Think, for example, Shelter, Amnesty International. They're very niche in the area that they do, but with things like social welfare, this will give you a lot of experience within that area, and you could talk about it in applications and in your interviews. 4. Tribunals, but not just any tribunal, employment tribunals, which are the biggest use of tribunals within the UK. Make sure you go to the public access areas, but this will give you a lot of insight in how tribunals work, because remember, they run alongside our legal justice system. 5. Your local criminal courts. Magistrates, Crown Court. You can take part in things like court martialling, although you'll need to book this beforehand, but even just going and sitting in the public gallery will give you so much insight into the workings of the legal system. And once again, whilst you're there, try to speak to the legal professionals and get some networking opportunities involved. Finally, the police station. Hear me out here. Most police stations will at some point during the year open events for members of the public. If not, you can even ask them whether they can arrange something such as a custody suite tour, or even talk about, their life within the profession. This might not seem directly relevant to the legal profession, but in an indirect way it is. And sometimes, guys, you have to think outside the box when it comes to law work experience. It's not always going to come from your solicitors and barristers, but any insight you can get will be fantastic. And again, you can talk about these skills when you come to doing your applications.